Alrighty then. Another project, Walker's World today. What we're going to do is we're going to mount a couple of RotoPax after this car goes by. So I looked at the mounts that are on the side windows. I really like that design, but $500? Seriously, I can't do that. I don't know about you guys. And they only sell them in a set. I mean, come on. So I did some research. What I found was this plate here for $63 on Amazon. And I think I have an idea on how to do this. I bought the locking RotoPax mounts, so I've mounted them on here, and it's designed for that. And yes, there is a space between the two tanks. I have two 1.75s. I can mount it to my bead locker capable rims. So they're not really doing anything, the ring and all those bolts. So I'm going to pull 4 bolts, drill holes to align with them, and mount it on my rim. I'll show you where it's going to go. I've removed 4 bolts, as you can see here, here, and here. And my thought is, oops, to mount this right here-ish. And I have to miss my backup camera. And there is, in fact, a big enough space between the tanks. I have two 1.75s that go on here, and there's a big enough space to clear the camera, which is nice and handy. So I'm going to drill these holes and show you what else I got hardware wise to bolt them on there. Now keep in mind these are the Korean Recon package 35s. So these are not stock wheels, obviously. You'll need to measure your own or come up with a different bolting scheme. But the main thing is this thing's only $63 versus $500. Yeah. I have another couple pieces I'll show you here in a sec. So I've got these at Home Depot. This is all thread. I think it's 3/8. Yeah, 3/8 inch, so 3/8 16. All thread. The plan is I don't really trust 4 of these, even though I'm sure they can hold 1,000 pounds or something. There's going to be at least 40 pounds hanging on these in shear, these 4 bolts in shear. And I plan on putting my max tracks on there too, so when you plan on hanging that much weight on there, do you rely on just these 4, not shearing off and losing $500 worth of stuff? So I'm going this extra mile. I'm going to cut this the right length to be behind this and have 2 holes out here, and then I'll run these through that plate I've already showed you through there, and we'll be nuts on the other side, and that should take care of it. Any concerns? I've cut that at 6 1/4. The idea is that will sit in here behind this, like so. Anyway, here it is drilled out, 4 1/2 this way, and then it's just going to sit behind here. There you go. I got 2 holes drilled for the all thread. I checked to make sure there's clearance for the nuts on this side from the RotoPax, and there is, so should be good to bolt on. I'm going to go ahead and touch it up with some paint so I don't get rust all down the back of my tire. I have some upcoming videos, so like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. But we got us a inset sink on our slide out cutting board. That'll be good. And a water pump system that pumps water out to said sink. It'll be great. We are fixing to head to Utah and try out all of this work I've been doing. The only concern is, can I get it all in here? Got these holes that I drilled, I got them painted. They won't rust. Got stainless steel screws. These are M8 by 1.25 by 50 millimeters. And I got, these are M8 by 1.25 thread by 50. And then I got these spacers, they're 30 millimeters long, that go in between the rim and here to keep it from bowing in. So I am bolting it on there as we speak. So far so good. I'm going to put behind the wheel back here. And then this all thread through here, through the wheel, just as a safety precaution. These will essentially just keep the whole thing from falling off and give it some reinforcement. In any case, but there you have it. For probably less than 75 bucks instead of 500 plus, you got your rear mount for your RotoPax. Hope you liked this video. If you did, press like and subscribe. Got more videos on how to do things for less money coming up. Thanks for watching.